Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you what is that button on this on TV. On TV is ONN, so I call it on. And this button is the Bluetooth button. So when you press it hold about 4 seconds, you will need to reconnect your remote control. This means that if you lost your remote control and you buy another one, you need to press this button once time, hold it on for about 4 seconds. You will see the display on the TV. So it requires you to reconnect your TV remote. So you need to reconnect your TV remote by just press this back and home for about 4 seconds and bring it next to the TV box. Okay, after you see the blinking light blinking on here, then now you connect the TV remote and now you can use it. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of the showing what is this button on the on TV box. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.